I did today.
So Luna and I have come out and it's time for us to do another picking of beans. Things are starting to get pecked at, but we're gonna see what all we can pick. This one, man, there's two coming out of the same little thing. Well, isn't that cool?
Are we gonna pick other beans today?
Yeah, we're gonna
besides the purple bean?
We're gonna just do the purples. I think this one could do another day on that.
What about those ones back there?
If you see any peas, but these aren't ready, they'll fill up.
So they'll get like
this?
that?
Look at this one.
Look at that?
This one's
like that?
About ready. There goes the boys.
Hear a little boy coming.
Like if we were gonna do a stir fry, these would be perfect like this. Okay, let's see if we can find
there's one fat one, Mama, I saw.
Look, let's get down here and get these beans.
I'll be the holder. I'll just
no, you can pick them too.
I don't want to pick because I always.
You don't want to pick? No, you don't. You picked them perfect last time. There's the boys. Slow down. What's in Triton's mouth?
It's the duck thing. It goes to the duck.
No, we gotta get all up under here.
This has worms.
Oh no, it does have. Oh, I see the worm. There's the worm right there. Yeah, come here. You see him? He's little.
Okay,
you see him?
check the beans for worms that you pick. Can I touch a bean? I'll check the beans.
I'll let you pull one in just a minute.
Mama. I found one.
Okay, hold that. That one's not ready. You have to wait. We start at one end and we work our way down.
At least I showed you the one.
Yeah, thanks for showing me. Everything's getting worms because we don't spray. So now we're going to have to find a new way to deal with it.
They're down here. That one looks like it has a worm.
Okay, baby. Well,
I found some big ones down
if it has
here.
a worm, we'll just check on it later.
Down here.
Okay, Sweetie Pie, if you'd like to pick one, come here and I'll give you one to pick.
No, they're big down here.
Okay, that's pretty big, but look, you see this one?
Hey, Mama,
you come pick this one.
I'm just kidding.
No, that one's a little skinny. Don't pull like that. You'll break the whole plant.
Mom, his duck's in the stand. Picked all of these, and there's one more right here.
That one's little. That one's little. Leave it. Leave it. What, Jonathan?
See this one? I picked up.
Put it there. I can't hear you, Daddy. Put it in the pile. What is it, Daddy? Which plant?
Alice wasn't
In the pot? It's out of season. It's dill. Or oh, you mean the guava tree? Oh, you're. Oh.
I just picked these two big ones.
Okay. All right. Those are huge. All right, y'all watch Triton and don't let him get big ones.
Two, guys.
Yep, she got two really big ones. There's some. I think this yard long needs to be picked. Good gracious. You want to pull that one?
Sure.
I got a knife in pocket if we need it.
There we go. Only do one.
Hang on, we'll give you a purple one to do, Try.
I'm looking in the weeds. Purple.
You want to pull purple? Hang on, come here. You can get, look at this one. Look, here we go, baby. Pull that one. Good job, buddy.
I'm just trying to get one. This is an Easter egg.
Okay, I heard you say he stole one. I don't need you to tattle. Are y'all calling names for the whole world to hear? The world can tattle on you.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Watch mouth.
I never will do that.
Yeah? Because why?
I was just joking.
People don't like liars.
People like jokers.
The Joker's a bad guy.
No, people what joke.
Comedians?
Yeah.
But lying isn't the same as being a comedian. Buddy, you just
I can eat that. We can eat it.
No.
I'm not eating it right now.
No, don't you dare.
Yes, I am.
Okay, well, if you get a worm in your belly, that's on you.
Checking if there's room. No one.
Oh my goodness. Hard to get up in here. Look at our pile. Hey, look at Daddy. Luna, how many more you got, baby? Good job.
I got some big ones in there.
All right. So this is today's harvest. What all we got today? They call that quite a big handful. Look how big some of these are that Luna found.
Yeah, I found those from like all
Because like there's little ones and then there's big ones. There's another big one.
like this one.
This yard-long bean is so cool though.
Look at that.
Yep.
And then, yeah, I found a lot of them.
You did find a lot. Little dude's down there digging.
Well, that one wasn't.
I think we should pick this yard-long bean. I mean, we can.
I'll pick it.
We can leave it.
Oh, they have ants.
No, we'll get it tomorrow. It's calling my name, but we'll get it tomorrow. And then we'll check on some peas, and maybe we'll do a stir fry with the pea pods tomorrow too. All right, let's go. It's the heat of the day, and I've tried to get the kids out here to help me pick beans, but it looks like I've only got Triton, and he's just digging in the dirt. But there's a lot of beans to be picked, and look at these things. Aren't they cool? I love the purple color, and they're just growing like crazy. Let me get this one. Triton, you want to help mommy? You want to help mommy? No? Ew, leave the bug alone. It's a beetle.
It's here.
Yeah, beetle bug. Leave the beetle bug alone. Goodbye, beetle bug. Go get in that hole. Get in the hole. Be smart. Go in the hole. Goodbye, beetle bug. Bye-bye. All right. Back to picking these beans. There's so many. So many. That's a big one. We already have